Your house is very small, Ben. But this is our happy home.
Leo, you should work harder, brother.
I have everything I need, Richard.
Come, everyone, let us have some tea.
Tea? I usually drink imported coffee.
Mom, why do we feel so small?
Money is not the same as happiness.
Like, share, comment, subscribe. Talkie Go!
Leo, your brother is coming tomorrow.
Richard? He has not visited in years.
He is bringing his son, Max.
Who is Max, Mom? A cousin? I have never even met him.
Max is 10 years old, like Ruby.
Are they nice? Will they play?
Richard is my brother, but very different.
Different? What do you mean, Dad?
He has money, a big company.
Is Uncle Richard very rich, Dad?
Yes, son, he is very rich.
Then why do you look worried?
Some people forget where they came from.
Kids, just be polite and kind.
Should we clean the house, Mom?
Yes, let us make it look nice.
I will put fresh flowers out. And I will tidy my toys.
Our home is small but full of love.
That is all we really need.
Leo! Little brother, look at you! Richard, welcome. It is good to see you.
Still living in this same old house?
Yes, we love it here very much. My house has 14 rooms now.
That sounds very big, Richard.
And a swimming pool in the garden.
Wow, a real swimming pool, Uncle?
Of course, boy. And a tennis court.
That must be so exciting to have. My name is Max. We came to visit. Hi, Max. I am Ben. Welcome. This room is smaller than my bedroom. Oh, our house is not very big. My bedroom has a huge television inside. We watch television here, all together. All together? On that little screen? We like sitting close, as a family. My family has 3 living rooms. 3? What do you do with them? I do not know. We just have them.
Come, everyone, let us have some tea.
Tea? I usually drink imported coffee.
We only have simple tea, sorry.
It is fine, I will try it.
Ben, what shoes are those you wear? These are my sneakers. I love them. They look very old and worn out. They are 2 years old, but comfortable. My shoes are new and very expensive. They look shiny and really nice, Max. My father buys me new ones monthly. Every month? That is a lot, Max. We have to be careful with ours. That must be very boring for you. It is not boring. It is just life. Where do you go on holiday, Ruby? We go to the lake in summer. The lake? We fly to other countries. You fly on a plane, Max? Yes, we have been to 11 countries. 11? I have never been anywhere. You have never been on a plane? No, but I want to go someday. That is quite sad to hear, Ben. Ben, do not listen to him. Ruby, why do I feel so small? Because he is making us feel small!
So, Leo, are you still at that job? Yes, I work at the same place. Same job, same house, same small life. My family is healthy and happy, Richard. Happy? With this old car outside?
Richard, please, the children can hear you.
Let them hear. They should learn ambition.
My children are learning kindness, brother. Kindness does not pay the bills, Leo.
And money does not buy a family.
I have a family, a very good one. When did you last eat dinner together? We are all very busy people. That is exactly what I mean, Richard. Ha! You always were the soft one, Leo.
Please, let us not fight tonight.
I am not fighting, just being honest. Then let us be honest, brother. Fine, you tell me your honest truth. I would not trade my life for yours.
You say that because you have nothing.
I have everything that truly matters, Richard.
Ruby, are we poor? Tell me honestly. No, Ben, we are not poor. But Max has everything and we do not. Having things is not the same, Ben. I felt so ashamed today, Ruby. Me too, I did not like it. My shoes, our car, our small house. Ben, do not think like that. But Uncle Richard laughed at Dad today. I know. I saw Dad's face. Dad looks so sad and quiet. That hurt me more than anything else. I want us to be rich too. Would that really make us happier, Ben? Maybe then nobody would laugh at us. Let us just go and sleep now. Max, do you want to play outside? Play? What game do you mean? We just run and play in the garden. I do not really know how to play. You do not know how to play? I usually play games on my tablet. No. But do you play with your friends? I do not have many friends, Ben. Why not? You have so many things. Things are easy, friends are not. Come, just run with us. It is fun. Are you sure I can join you? I have not laughed like this before. Really? But laughing is so easy. Not in my house. It is very quiet. Quiet? With 3 living rooms, Max? The rooms are big, but always empty. Where is your mother, Max? She travels. I see her sometimes. And your father, Uncle Richard? He works, even on the weekends. But who eats dinner with you? I eat alone with the cook. Alone? Every single night, Max? Yes, I eat and then I sleep. That sounds very lonely to me. I am used to it now. Max, that is really very sad. Ben, can I tell you a secret? Of course, Max. Tell me anything. I would trade everything for your family. What? But you have so much. I have things, you have people. Max, do not say that, please. Last night I heard you all laughing. We were just eating dinner together. I sat alone and I felt jealous. Jealous of us? But why, Max? Because your house is full of love. Max, you can share our family. Do you really mean that, Ben? Yes, you are always welcome here. Nobody has ever said that to me.
Richard, did you hear your son? I did not know he felt this way. Brother, when did you last hug him? I cannot even remember, Leo. He does not need another expensive gift. Then what does my son need? He needs you, only you, Richard. I built everything for him, Leo. But you were never there for him. I thought money was enough for him. A child cannot hug a bank account. I have been a fool, brother. It is never too late, Richard. You are the rich one, not me. We can both be rich. Just come home early tonight. Max, my son, come here, please.
Yes, Father. Did I do something wrong?
No, son. You did nothing wrong.
Then why do you look so strange?
Because I have made many mistakes.
Mistakes? You are always right, Father.
I gave you everything except myself.
Father, are you feeling all right?
I want to eat dinner with you.
With me? Tonight? At our table?
Every night, from now on, son.
Do you really mean that, Father?
I am so sorry, my son.
Father, you have never hugged me before.
Then I will hug you every day. My brother has finally come home. Your house is small, but so warm.
You are always welcome here, Richard.
Ben, can I come back and play next month? Yes, and every single month after.
I made you both feel small yesterday. I am sorry.
It is okay, Uncle. We forgive you.
Kids, what did we all learn today?
That money cannot buy a happy family. And a big house can still be empty.
And a small house can be full of love.
You gave me my father back.
Love, time, and being together.
Tonight, we all eat together.
Like, share, comment, subscribe. Talkie Go!